Good morning to everyone. This is Nabir Miravali. I am the lecturer in mathematics. Just you have finished now intermediate. Okay, grand welcome to the degree courses. Okay, I am the lecturer in mathematics. Let me start the syllabus of mathematics and what is the weightage of mathematics in the degree. Okay, let's start the concept. Okay, students. Now we are in degree first year B.sc mathematics. Okay, so in degree first year there will be two semesters are there, that is semester 1 and semester 2. Now I am going to discuss about the semester 1 introduction. Okay, what is that? Semester 1 introduction. In this video I am going to discuss about the what is the question paper pattern and what is the syllabus. Okay, so that is the first one. After discussing about discussed the question paper pattern and syllabus, let me explain about the important formulas which are using in semester 1 from intermediate level. Okay students, let me start. Okay students, in semester 1 mathematics, it consisting of 4 units, that is unit 1. Okay, it consisting of 4 units, that is unit 1 and unit 2, unit 3, unit 4. Okay, so finally the total marks will be allotted for the final examinations are 100 marks. Okay, these 100 marks will be divided into two parts. First one is internal examination, internal. Next one theory examination. So these internal examination allotted only 20 marks. So the remaining marks will be for the 80 marks that will be allotted for the theory examination. These 20 marks should be conducted in our colleges. Okay, our college. So these 80 marks can be allotted. These 80 marks examination will be written by the Osmania University. That means our university. This is the final examination, that is university examination. The exams. Okay, this is the pattern of the question paper. Pattern of the weightage. Okay. Now here internal examinations are 20 marks. These 20 marks, for these 20 marks you have to write the examination for the 15 marks and remaining 5 marks will be project marks. What is that? Project marks. Okay, so that is, so the 80 marks will be written in the theory examination conducted by the university. Okay students, this is the clarity about the mathematics weightage. Okay, now question paper pattern for the 80 marks. Okay, so pattern for the 80 marks here, 80 marks pattern, 80 marks pattern. So in final examination the question paper will be divided into two sections. Section A. In section A consisting of 8 questions, that means including internal choice, you have to attempt any 4 questions. Each question carries 5 marks. Okay, so these 5 marks, these 20 mark questions are obtained from unit 1, like that, question number 1 or question number 2. Okay, so that is, so you should attempt from unit 1 either of the question 1 and 2. Okay, next in unit 2 third question and fourth questions are there. Third question and fourth questions are there. So you have to attempt any one of the question. Next, in the same process, unit 3, it will also having 5th question and 6th question. You need to write any one of the question from 5th question and 6th question. Next, unit 4 also consisting of 2 questions, question number 7 or question number 8. You need to attempt any one of the question. Okay, this is about the short answer type questions. So that means totally you have to write any 4 questions out of 8 questions. So these 8 questions particularly, these 4 questions can be written particularly from unit 1 and unit 2, unit 3 and unit 4, at least 1 questions. Okay, this is the weightage of the short answer type question. Now coming to the section B. Here also internal choice. So 9th question or 10th question. This will be obtained from unit 1. Next, from unit 2, here also 11th question and 12th question. So you need to write any one of the 11th question or 12th question. Next, from unit 3, there will be 2 questions are there. You need to write any one of the question. In the same process, in unit 4, you have 2 questions here. You need to write any one of the questions. So out of these 4 units, you should attempt 4 questions. So each question carries the 15 marks. So weightage is 60 marks. Okay, that means unit 1 consisting of 2 questions. You need to attempt either of the question, the same as remaining units. So here each question consisting of the 15 marks. So now the total weightage of the theory examination is here 20 marks questions. They are called the short answer questions. 60 marks questions are there. They are called the long answer type questions. Okay, this is the weightage of the final examination paper of the mathematics. Okay, now coming to our mathematics paper of the first semester B.sc. Okay student, now I am going to discuss about the syllabus. That means what is the syllabus for unit 1 and unit 2, unit 3 and unit 4. Okay, students, coming to the unit 1. The unit 1 have the syllabus partial differentiation. So in this one the topics are introduction, function of two variables, neighborhood of a point AB, continuity of a functions of two variables, continuity at a point, limit of a function of two variables, partial derivatives, geometrical representation of a function of two variables and homogeneous functions. Okay, next coming to the second unit here. This is the second unit. I have to take copy this one. Now this is about the second unit. Okay, so in second unit here theorems on total differentials, composite functions, differentiation of composite functions, implicit functions, equality of a function AB with respect to x comma y. X comma y means here xy means now we have to derivative the function f with respect to x and with respect to y. Already we have done the differentiation of a function in intermediate level. There will be only one variable are there. In degree level there are two variables x and y. The same as the derivative of f y z ab. Okay, at ab, that means fyz. Here fyz means we can differentiating the function f with respect to y and with respect to z. First y after z and then put here x y is equal to x y x is equal to a and y is equal to b in the obtained values. So next one we have to discuss about the Taylor's theorem for a function of two variables. Next one, maxima and minima of the functions of two variables and Lagrange's method of undetermined multipliers. Okay students, this is about the second unit. Now coming to the third unit here. Coming to the third unit. This is the third unit. So in third unit, we have to know about the what are the curvatures and evolutes. So in this one, introduction and definition of curvature, radius of curvature, length of arc as a function, derivative of arc, radius of curvature, certain equations, Newton's methods, center of curvature, centroid of chord of curvature. Okay, this is about the curvature and evolutes. Next one, evolutes. Evolute and involutes, properties of evolutes. Next one concept is envelopes. One parameter family of curves. Consider the family of straight lines. Definitions, determination of envelope. Okay, this is about the third unit. Now coming to the fourth unit here. This is about our fourth unit. Okay, student, this is the fourth unit, our fourth unit. Here, length of plane curves, lengths of plane curves, introduction, expression for the lengths of curve of the form y is equal to f of x, expression of length of arc, x is equal to f of y and x is equal to f of t, y is equal to psi of t and r is equal to f of theta. This is about the lengths of arc. Next one, coming to volumes and surfaces of revolution. Introduction, expression for the volume obtained by revolving about either axis, expression for the volume obtained by revolving about any line, area of the surface of the frustum of cone, expression for the surface of revolution, Pappus theorem. Okay, Pappus theorem, surface of revolution. So this is the weightage of the first semester in the first year mathematics. Okay students, this is the concept about the first year. Okay student, now coming to here. So here the name of our mathematics paper in the first year is differential and integral calculus. What is that? In first year, concept name is this one, differential and integral calculus. Okay, this paper name is called the differential and integral calculus. Already I have told you the weightage of the pattern of B.sc mathematics first year, first semester. Okay, you have to note that one, and also in the first page of your notebooks you should write this syllabus, that means which I had explained the unit 1 and unit 2, unit 3 and unit 4. Okay, so before going to start the first B.sc semester 1 mathematics, you have to know about the formulas of the derivatives. Okay, which you have know about you have know in the intermediate level. So the basic formulas are, let me explain the basic formulas are, the derivative of x to the power of n. What is that? N into x to the power of n minus 1. Next one, derivative of 1 is equal to x. Next, derivative of 1 by x is equal to log x. Next one, derivative of derivative of 1 by x is equal to minus 1 by x square. So derivative of 1 by x is equal to minus 1 by x square. Derivative of root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. Next one, derivative of constant is equal to 0. Next one, derivative of x, how much? That is 1. Next one, derivative of a to the power of x is equal to, what is the formula? A power x into log a. Okay. Next one, derivative of e power x is equal to e power x. They are called the derivatives of algebraic functions. Next one, derivative of constant into function is equal to how much? You can write the constant before the function. Okay, so now that is derivative of f of x. Next will be, next one, derivative of sum of the two functions or subtraction of the two functions. So the formula can be expand the derivative of u plus or minus derivative of v. Okay. Next one, derivative of u into v, that is equal to u into v dash plus v into u dash. Next one, derivative of u by v. U by v is equal to v into u dash minus u into v dash by v square, where dash represents the derivative. Okay students, they are the basic formulas of the derivatives. Now let me explain the derivative of trigonometry functions. Derivative of sin x is equal to how much? Cos x. Next one, derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x. Next one, coming to the next formulas, 15th formula, derivative of tan x is equal to secant square x. Next one, derivative of secant x, or you have to write the cot x here. Derivative of cot x is equal to how much? Minus cosecant square x. Next, derivative of secant x is equal to secant x into tan x. Next one, derivative of cosecant x is equal to minus cosecant x into cot x. Okay, they are the derivatives of the trigonometric functions. Okay, now next one, derivative of hyperbolic functions. Derivative of sin hyperbolic x is equal to cos hyperbolic x. Derivative of cos hyperbolic x is equal to sin hyperbolic x. Next, derivative of tan hyperbolic x is equal to secant hyperbolic square x. Next one, derivative of cot hyperbolic x is equal to minus cosecant hyperbolic square x. Next, derivative of secant hyperbolic x is equal to minus secant hyperbolic x into tan hyperbolic x. Next one, derivative of cosecant hyperbolic x is equal to minus cosecant hyperbolic x into cot hyperbolic x. Okay, they are the formulas of the trigonometric functions and hyperbolic functions. Now coming to the derivatives of inverse trigonometric functions and inverse hyperbolic functions. Now first of all, inverse trigonometric functions. Derivative of sin inverse x. Sin inverse x have the formula 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Next one, derivative of cos inverse x is equal to minus 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. Next one, derivative of tan inverse x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. Next one, derivative of cot inverse x is equal to minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Derivative of cosecant inverse x is equal to 1 by x into root of x square minus 1. Derivative of secant inverse x is equal to minus 1 by x into square root of x square minus 1. In the same process, I am going to write the derivative of inverse hyperbolic functions. Sin hyperbolic inverse x is equal to 1 by square root of 1 plus x square. Derivative of cos hyperbolic inverse x is equal to 1 by square root of x square minus 1. Next, derivative of tan hyperbolic inverse x is equal to 1 by 1 minus x square. Next one, derivative of cot inverse x is equal to cot hyperbolic inverse x is equal to same formula 1 by 1 minus x square. Here also you have to write 1 by 1 minus x square. Next one, derivative of cosecant hyperbolic inverse x is equal to 1 by x into square root of 1 plus x square. Next one, derivative of secant hyperbolic inverse x is equal to, here both have the negative values, 1 by x into square root of 1 minus x square. They are the derivative formulas, okay, basic derivative formulas of the intermediate first year level, but you have to use these formulas in the degree first semester. So you have to note that these formulas which I have told you in this class. So first you have to note these formulas and by heart the formulas carefully, okay. So these formulas will be used in the next class, okay. I am going to explain the next concept in the next video, okay students. Thank you.